guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this awesome text effect introduction title on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use this as a background. I'm also going to select the 16:9 video ratio. I'm just going to adjust this a little bit and resize that. Go to text and add in your text. I'm just going to type in magical. Make sure I type that in correctly. I'm also going to change the font as well to this one, I guess. And you can also change the color of the text if you'd like to, but I'm just going to keep it like this. I might also add in a glow, because just why not, you know? You can also change the color for that. Let's see. Okay, this one's alright, I guess. Then you're just going to right click that and create compound clip. Go to video, go to mask, and select the mirror one, and you're going to put it as like at like this position, and you're going to feather that out. And I'm going to just start here, add a keyframe. Actually, add it here, sorry. And at the end, you're going to want to drag this up like that to create this title. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!